Now to a NEWS4JAX I-TEAM investigation into what has been called one of the biggest fraud attempts in Jacksonville history. Federal prosecutors say the former JEA CEO Aaron Zahn and former CFO Ryan Wannemacher tried to steal millions of taxpayer dollars for themselves off the proposed sale of JEA. I spoke with a defense attorney not associated with the case who says the amount of money the two could have made is off the charts.
I've done a lot of fraud cases. I've never seen one this large in Jacksonville, Florida.
Defense attorney and former federal prosecutor Curtis Fallgatter tells NEWS4JAX that he can understand why taxpayers would be enraged at JEA executives Aaron Zahn and Ryan Wannemacher's alleged crimes. The two were indicted in a scheme to pay out millions of dollars from the sale of JEA, a public utility that would have lined their pockets and their associates.
You know, we're talking some $350 million was the potential windfall for Mr. Zahn and his associate. That's off the charts. Under the federal sentencing guidelines, that's the next to the high. Only thing higher is above $550 million.
According to the indictment, Zahn and Wannemacher worked on a formula for an employee bonus plan that would ensure they would make millions of dollars if the JEA utility was sold. Lawyers also say the two misrepresented how much the bonus plan would really cost. Fallgatter expects prosecutors to use the two men's memorandums, plans, and presentations that they made at JEA board meetings to prove their guilt. Fallgatter says proving the intent to defraud will be one of the key points in the case.
That's not always so difficult. If someone is trying to steal from the taxpayers $350 million of taxpayer money by fabricating a claim that the entity is going out of business and we're going to have to fire some 500 some odd employees just to operate. You know, when you fabricate that kind of a pretext to accomplish your goal of making $350 million, most people look at that and say, yep, that's fraud.
Fallgatter doesn't expect any follow-up indictments in the case, agreeing taxpayers should be outraged if the allegations are proven true.
You're talking $333 million that would go out the door. That money could be spent on schools, on roads, on public buildings. I mean, there's a tremendous amount of value in that could have been invested.
Late this afternoon, Aaron Zahn's lawyer released a statement reading in part, Mr. Zahn affirms his innocence, denying any wrongdoing, and is eager to present his case to the jury. Mr. Zahn is confident that when the jury is presented with all the evidence, he will be vindicated. State Attorney Melissa Nelson commented on the case as well, saying her office continues to support the investigation by assigning two of its investigators to this case.